Hello, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video review, I'm going to be reviewing an AI content creation platform named RYTR, RYTR, and we'll be writing RYTING with RYTR. I'll show you how this is set up, how it works, give you a few demos in here, and I just want to remind you that if you do get some value from this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video. So let's move on into RYTR. We'll show you what RYTR is all about. Okay, so the first thing you want to use in RYTR once you get signed in is we're going to talk about the resources and kind of some real nitty-gritty details about using RYTR. Right now I just want to introduce you to the cases. Now, the cases are the types of situations that they're making available with preset situations for you to create content. So we got blog ideas outline, blog section writing, business idea pitch, copywriting framework, and AIDA, copywriting framework PAS. These are common. I have a review on conversion.ai where they use both of these here. The comparison there's a video I just did comparing conversion.ai with RYTR, and you'll see the comparisons with these in that video. If we scroll down, we've got certain situations again. If you need interview questions, a job description, a landing page. Let's click on like a landing page, just show you. Okay, so we selected landing page. We're going to push start writing. Now it's going to come in here. Now name your document. Let's name the document. Let's put new test. And we'll say create. What it's going to do then is you need to fill in by picking out what you want over here. So we decided on the landing page and copies. Now it's going to tell you what you want to provide to RYTR to get the content that you want. So it wants a website name for the website, about your website a little bit, only 75 characters. It'll tell you how many characters are allowed, and then it wants you to talk about the features, and then you'll be able to hit write for me and it'll create this. And I'll show you that on another example we have coming up on a channel description. But that's kind of how each one, you pick the type of thing you want here. Say if you want song lyrics, they'll come in. You want song idea, if you're writing a song, and then you just push write for me. Now you want to set the tone too up here, and or if you want other languages, various other languages here that you can pick from, and you set that up, then hit write for me, and it'll create the content. Again, we'll cover that for about a minute from the video. Right now, we're going to move on into the section about resources and training. Okay, next we're in RYTR. I've gone to the resources page, and they have resources, frequently asked questions, and guides here to help you out with everything. And there's drop downs. Just look at all this information that's here. The editing process is all labeled. Let's go to plagiarism and see. Talk about plagiarism. In resources here, they have a native plagiarism checker powered by Copyscape that will check now it's going to count on credits towards your 50,000 characters per month. That's what I have for the plan that I have for RYTR. Okay, so I'm in RYTR and I signed in. We're going to start writing. Now the last thing, this is my history, is what I did here. Now let's look at what we want to do. We can change this to other things. These are other uses. We have a blog idea and outline, blog section writing, business idea pitch, a copywriting framework PAS, email, Facebook, interview jobs, job description, landing pages, magic command, post and caption ideas, product descriptions, bullet points, SEO, See, there's even song lyrics, testimonial, tagline. Now, these are all part of what you can do. Now, you can also use, these can be done in Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese, Czech, Danish, Dutch, English, Farsi, Finnish, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Hindi, Hungarian. You just look at all these languages, and then you can, like I showed you already, you can select your tone. So it depends on what you want to switch to. So you'd have to decide what you want to. Okay, so I'm in RYTR, and what I'm going to do is have it help me with my video channel description. Now I have my video channel description on text. So this is my description currently for my channel. I'm going to highlight and control. I'm going to copy and we put this in here. And then we can go 1, 2, or 3 variants. I'm going to go 2. I'm going to say write for me. We'll see if this is supposed to be a convincing and updated description. So I'm going to copy and paste these. Okay, so these are short and sweet and to the point. Let's say there's other tones here. Let's say we got humble, humorous, informative, which is a new addition here. Joyful, passionate, thoughtful, urgent, worried. Appreciative, assertive, awestruck, candid, casual, cautionary, compassionate, convincing, critical. Which one I'm going to say? Let's do passionate and see what it does. And it's going to write again. So it's writing. Actually, I like this. I'm going to use one of these for my new description. So that's using the one part of write to write a new channel description for YouTube. Okay, so I'm in RYTR and I signed in. We're going to start writing. Now, the last thing, this is my history, is what I did here. Now, let's look at what we want to do. We can change this to other things. These are other uses. We have a blog idea, an outline, blog section writing, business idea pitch, a copywriting framework PAS, email, Facebook, interview jobs, job description, landing pages, magic command, post and caption ideas, product descriptions, bullet points, SEO. See, there's even song lyrics, testimonial, tagline. Now, these are all part of what you can do. Now, you can also use, these can be done in Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese. You just look at all these languages, and then you can, like I showed you already, you can select your tone. So it depends on what you want to switch to. So you'd have to decide what you want to. So the point to be made is that there are choices. You choose the language, you choose the tone, and you choose the case that you're using. There's a few other extra little things that I found that are really neat that help with editing when it comes to the content over here. We're going to cover that next. Okay, so another thing about RYTR is that you notice I'm highlighting this. Now it's going to give you some areas you can rephrase. Let's say we're going to rephrase it. It just rephrased it for me. So again, you have another way of working something different out of something. If you say you want to improve it, it says correct grammar and improve readability of text. Control plus Shift plus I, select 30 to 300 characters. And it's got 317 characters. So let's see what we want to do. I think what we'll do is we're going to rephrase this. Okay, so it rephrased it. And then let's see on my total we have, see the characters are adding up. Improve. So it's improving. Uh-oh, no output. Looks like you beat the AI's time. Try changing the text or generate. So it didn't think I could improve it. Okay. That's cool. But you see that this is some other things that we can do with this tool. See, we've got more. Let's see what more. Expand, shorten. Let's do expand. Now it's working. Okay, it just expanded it. See, there's so much the AI in this can do to rework things for you. Okay, so this has been a look at RYTR, and I just recently did a blog section writing for keto vegetable casseroles, and this took only like 2 minutes to have it print up. This is a section to add to my lead part for an article I'm writing for one of my sites. So as you can see, RYTR is very versatile, and the cost, the only thing we didn't look at is $29 per month. We could take a look at that now. And if I want to subscribe to RYTR Premium, here's what the cost is right now for RYTR Premium. It's $29 per month. If I want to pay it yearly, get 2 months free, it's going to $290 a year. And that's $290, so that's $29. It'd be cheaper than $29 a month if you pay for it in one lump sum. So that's the pricing for RYTR. Okay, so you've seen the cost of RYTR per month, $29. There is a link down in the description to that. That is an affiliate link for me and my business. I just want to say that I think RYTR is a condensed, easy to use artificial intelligence writing platform that handles a lot of and everything that I can think of that I need for my online business right now. So I hope you think the same thing. If you do, don't forget to click the link down in the description for your monthly access to RYTR. We appreciate you watching the video today. If you did get some value from this video, please like it. Give us a large thumbs up. YouTube likes that. I like that very much myself. And as well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That also tells YouTube that you like us and we have something going here that should be continued. So subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time that you don't want to miss anything that I'm creating for content, new videos. So thanks for watching again today. We appreciate you. As always, God bless and so long.